So if you're still trying to set up your Facebook monetization in 2026, I am going to help you do that in this particular video. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So I've been getting a lot of notifications and questions in my community about persons still having issues setting up Facebook in 2026. Now I'm going to help you with all of this. If you want me to help you privately, you can actually send me a message. I'm going to help you step by step on how to go about it. But for somebody who is about to monetize their Facebook page or profile, because you can actually monetize both, I have both of my pages monetized, so I know it is possible to monetize both. So for somebody who is trying to do it in 2026, I am going to guide you on the best way to go. So first things first, what are the requirements for monetizing on Facebook? Now, to a lot of persons, you know that currently Facebook monetization is called content monetization. It started way back from before. Now we used to have in-stream ads, but right now what we have is content monetization. Content monetization made it so easy for a lot of persons. So instead of trying to monetize in-stream ads separately, subscription separately and all of that, once you are monetized in content, once your content is monetized under the umbrella of content monetization, you can earn money from different things you post. You can earn money from photos, you can earn money from videos. Before now, if you earn on videos, you have to go through another kind of requirement to be able to monetize on other things. But all of that has changed for the better. So for those that want to know what the requirements are like, you have to be 18 years, you have to follow Facebook guideline, you need to have 5,000 followers on your Facebook page, you must have at least 5 active videos on your page, and you need 60 minutes of watch time. Currently now, if you are trying to monetize, okay, Facebook has made this in such a way that they have to invite you. Yes, if you're not posting a lot on your page, Facebook is not going to invite you. So these requirements I'm giving you right now, the one I just listed, are the requirements that we all know. If you're already used to Facebook or content monetization on Facebook, you realize that this is what you need. But what you're going to be seeing on your professional dashboard, if you click on monetization, for somebody who's trying to monetize now, what you're going to be seeing is invite only. So what does that mean? The invite means you need to be 18 years, you need to have at least 5,000 followers on your page, you need to have at least 60,000 minutes of watch time, you need to have active posts, 5 active posts within the last 28 days, and you need to follow community guidelines. So if you're saying invite only, I just listed these things to you. So do you currently have any of that, or you are still trying to get that? I will advise you to increase the way you post, ensure at least you post daily, or ensure you're doing the right thing. And if you're posting, ensure you are posting what follows community guideline, because Facebook is big on community guideline. And community guideline could mean the kind of post are you insightful, are you posting things that are violent. Ordinary comments today, if you comment something that Facebook doesn't like, they can block your comment. If you are trying to monetize, be very, very careful with your content, be very, very careful with the things you say. All right, so now if you have met any of this, or Facebook has invited you for content monetization, the next is how you can set up your content monetization. So on your professional dashboard where you see content monetization set up, you click on setup, and the next thing you're going to be seeing is this get started. So you're going to click on get started. Once you click on get started, it takes you to set up payout account. For me, I've already been earning on Facebook for a while. In fact, I started from when I couldn't earn from my country. I had to get somebody who is in a monetized country to help. So you're seeing a lot of names right here until I was able to do it myself, and now we are on content monetization. So the next thing we're going to do is add new business. This is because you are a new person. This is the first time you are setting up. For me, who has done this setup before, that is not what I am going to be doing. So because I'm trying to show you this, that is why I am doing what I am doing. I'm trying to show you. For me, I will just go ahead and do it, which I'll be showing you at the end of the video. But for you, this is it. So you're going to enter your legal name, your legal son name. Your legal son name is the name you are known with, like your passport, your ID. That name you're known with is the name you're going to enter there. So the next step is what you're seeing right here, which is your country. your country, you enter the country where you're monetizing from. For the business type, you're going to enter individual. There are just 5 stages to this thing, so we're already on the 3rd one. Now I'm doing this very fast. I would advise you to save this video so it will be easy for you. Now the next will be to link your bank account, like your bank, your local bank. A lot of times I get people ask questions like, am I supposed to use online bank and all of that? Please try and use your local bank, a bank you already have, your USD account. So all you need to do is manually link your bank. If you have PayPal, you can go ahead to use PayPal, but I would advise to use your local bank. So once you do that, you set up, you'll be getting mails from what's it called, Facebook, Meta, when you're doing all this process. So the next step will be to add your tax ID. Like this one, I'm going to allow you watch this particular part. Please watch this particular part very well. Just follow exactly what I am doing right here. Now, like I said, this is for somebody who is doing this for the first time. This is because you are doing yours for the first time. That is why it is like this. So please go ahead and just do exactly what I am doing right here. So for those who have already done this kind of setup before, yes, if you've done this kind of setup before, you won't need to do this all over again. For you who already have your details, all you need to do is just click. Don't worry, I'm going to show you immediately I'm done with this. So once you're done with this tax ID thing, this is very, very important. I've done videos talking about how to get your TIN, tax identification number, or if you have a registered business, you can use that also. So once we are done with this, like we are almost done with this particular process, you can see you can now earn, or you can now use content monetization. So when I go back to my professional dashboard and I click on that content monetization, yes, once I click on content monetization, you will see that everything is now under content monetization. It's not telling me to set up again. So I can earn, you can tell me I can even earn from my stories. Like you can earn from practically everything you do on your page right now. Okay guys, so you can see how that goes. You want to set up your content monetization. This is all you need to do. Like I said, for those who are still, your own is still showing invite only. All you need to do is keep posting. If Facebook sees your consistency and you meet the requirement I gave you earlier, they are going to invite you to the program. So just keep being consistent and watch yourself invited for content monetization. If you still have questions on what I just explained to you right here, please let me know in the comment section. And also, I have a Facebook monetization course that will also help you. Also, you want to go into content creating and you don't know how to go about editing, basic editing on In-shot and Capcut. I've done a full course, like a full robust course on this. I have over 30 videos on this particular course that will teach you guide by guide, step by step, on how to go about editing, how to edit videos, how to use other people's videos to make money. So many things you need to learn: color grading, keyframing. Everything has been taught, and I've done this for both In-shot and Capcut. The description below will take you to the link where you can actually access this course. And after the course, if you still want a one-on-one with me on how to, so many other things you want to learn about editing, I will be available. All right everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, you still have a question or two, or you want a one-on-one with me, you need a guide, a basic guide on content creating entirely, all the questions you want to ask about content creating, please let me know. All right, thank you so much everyone. If you're new to this channel, you know what you need to do. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that when I post new videos concerning these things, you'll be amongst the first to see it. All right, thank you everyone.